Hey, I'm Caleb Lawson, co-owner and lead artisan at CCI, where the foundation of craftsmanship meets the precision of engineering. Our workshops are more than just learning. They're about experience and community. Dive deep into the technical mastery from the perfect mix to the final touch and uncover the artistry in each piece.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay.
Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to elevate your craft, our workshops offer a unique opportunity to learn from the best of both worlds. Not just how, but why.
Now I need to make it.
Hi, my name is Drew Tiemann. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I am the president of ConcreteCommander.com and also fire commander in Jacksonville as well. My recommendation, quite frankly, is if you have any interest in becoming an artisan or production or whatever, get here. It's well worth the expense. The value that they bring to the table before, during, and after is monumental to anybody's business. So if you're serious about doing something with concrete, you have to do this.
My name is Wayne Fry, Northwest Missouri, about an hour and a half north of Kansas City. I'd say if you're interested in it, definitely get educated. Get as much information as you can so you can go into it with good knowledge base, and I think your projects are going to come out so much better than trying to fool around on your own. And I think Jeff would be an ideal source to get information and start there.
My name's John Miller, and currently I'm in Northern Virginia in the Quantico area up to DC. The things that I've learned have been a shotgun of information that YouTube, trial and error, and every forum and place that you could try and find things just won't give it to you like this place. And now I get to go home with a great story and a great reason to do something that I've never done before.
We look forward to seeing you at our next workshop, so sign up today.